Paracyclist Aditya Mehta has faced humiliation once again, this time at the Bengaluru International Airport, and as the Asian paracycling silver medalist was asked to remove his prosthetic limb once again for security concerns. This comes right after he faced a similar treatment at the same airport a couple of months back.
2 months after Aditya Mehta, a paracyclist, as well as a silver medalist at the Asian Championship, was asked to remove his prosthetic limb at the Bangalore International Airport, he has faced something similar again at the Bangalore International Airport once again. I'm in conversation with Aditya Mehta. Thank you so much for joining us, Aditya. Can you tell us what exactly happened this time?
Yesterday I was flying back home, Hyderabad. So 20 days back I've got an injury in my stump. Stump is nothing but my operated leg. After you get an injury, you take time to wear your leg, because if you push yourself, injury, it gets aggravated. So generally I take like 45 minutes to 1 hour to wear my leg. And in fact, yesterday before going to the airport, I woke up 1 hour before I had to leave, so it took around 50 minutes to wear my leg. And I reached airport, the same person who last time what I had an issue with him, Mr. Thakur Das, he was there, and he asked me again to get into a room and asked me to remove the leg. I told him that I have an injury and I'm not carrying my crutch, and there's only like half an hour left for boarding getting closed, so it will take time, minimum 40 minutes. So he said, if it is an injury, it is your problem. We need to take care of our securities. We need to take care of the security part. I don't know. Yeah, securities you can do. You can go. Yeah, you can check with ETD. And in fact, I have been to 3 more airports in last 20 days. I told them the same thing, and they didn't force me to remove the leg. So he said, no, it is your we are doing our duty, and you fight for your cause. Last time also you spoke about it. It's okay if you speak about it. So they forced me to remove it. They have got my crutch back and gave me back my crutch to hold the crutch and wear my leg from the check-in luggage. It took like 40 minutes, and that too, when I started wearing it, they started getting inside the room. Are you getting late? Come out. And that kind of in that kind of tension, I started pushing my stump very hard, and when I came back home, I saw my stump, it started bleeding.